What's up, beautiful people? So you may be asking yourself, why is she not filming in her house like usual? Well, I decided to take it to the gym today, and unfortunately the sound wasn't working out. Lots of toilet flushes. It wasn't cute. If you don't believe me, here's proof. So as a result, I decided to do this really quick voiceover, and we're just going to get right into the exercises. This is day 5 of abs, where we work out our abs for 21 days straight. So the first exercise you see me doing here is called a toe tap, and do not let the simpleness of the way that this exercise looks fool you. You think, yeah, I'm just lift my legs up, tap my toes together. It's not gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Believe me. The next exercise I did were plank jacks, and honestly, I kind of disliked these because I kind of felt like cardio, and I'm not a huge fan of cardio, but obviously I did them anyway. But you know, just because you don't like it doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. The next exercise you see me doing here, it's called the plank hop, and I really enjoy doing these. Again, it's kind of like a cardio-esque type of exercise, except while you're working your abs at the same time. I like them. They were really fun. You can tell I really enjoy an exercise when the clip is super long because I did them forever. So the next exercise you see me doing here is called the leg drop, and again, it's one of those exercises that looks so simple until you get on the floor and try to do it. So again, this wasn't one of my favorites, but it was one of those things where you know it's necessary because you're bad at it. An indication that you need to continue doing an exercise is if you're bad at it, it probably means that those muscles that you're working are probably weak. So you might want to pay extra attention to the exercises that you hate because your body probably needs you to work them most. And the final exercise for today is a variation of the reverse crunch. I'll say this was the hardest exercise of today. I generally like reverse crunches, but that variation of having to put your legs down after rolling up really made sure that you had to control your core. So that has been day 5 of abs, where we work out our abs every single day for 21 days straight. If you've been skipping exercises, stop skipping them. Go back and check out the last couple of videos and get your workout in. This has been your friend SJ, and I am documenting the process.